If your old luggage bag is starting to be more hassle than it's worth, then it may be time for an upgrade. But finding the right one that doesn't just fit your stuff, but actually keeps it protected can be hard. That's why I did the research and went over hundreds of bags and found the 6 best luggage bags actually worth buying. Not only can they hold all your stuff, but they can also make your next trip smooth and hassle-free. You'll find links to the best prices for all the luggage mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these luggage items aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Swiss Gear Scion Soft Side Expandable Roller. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're planning a longer trip but don't want to spend a fortune, this suitcase is a solid choice. It's a soft-sided, expandable bag with plenty of room, so you can fit clothes, shoes, toiletries, and even a laptop without feeling cramped. The main compartment has adjustable tie-down straps to keep everything neat. Plus, there are separate zip pockets for smaller items. The Swiss Gear Scion rolls on 4 360-degree spinner wheels. They make it easy to navigate through crowded airports or tight spaces. It has top, side, and bottom handles, so lifting or carrying it is simple, even if it's full. It's made from durable, scuff-resistant polyester and can handle a bit of rough handling without looking beat up. The interior is fully lined, which gives it a clean and organized feel. Plus, the bag comes with a removable toiletries bag, which is great for keeping essentials separate. Now, it also comes with a 10-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. For the price, it's hard to beat a bag that gives you this much space, organization, and durability. Overall, the Swiss Gear Scion Soft Side Expandable Roller is perfect if you want a reliable, roomy, and easy-to-move suitcase without spending a ton. Number 5 is the Tumi 19-degree Extended Trip Expandable. This is the most premium option on our list if you're looking for a suitcase that feels like it was made just for you. This Tumi is it. This bag is made with a strong, durable, hard shell that's made to last and has a sleek, elegant design that stands out in a sea of plain luggage. It rolls smoothly on 4 spinner wheels, and the 3-stage telescoping handle makes it easy to push or pull even when it's fully packed. The leather-wrapped handles are soft and comfortable, so lifting them feels effortless. Now, this luggage is designed for organized packing. There are compression straps to keep clothes snug. The expandable feature gives you a bit more room when needed, which is great for international flights, or if you pick up a few extra items along the way. There's even a zipper compartment for smaller items and a luggage tag. It also comes with Tumi's integrated tracer, a hanger bracket, and a secure lock, which adds convenience and peace of mind. Plus, you get a 5-year warranty on most parts, so you know this is an investment that can last. The Tumi 19-degree Extended Trip is heavier than some other options, but that weight comes with premium quality and a design that just feels luxurious. Overall, if you want a suitcase that combines durability, smart packing features, and a standout look, this Tumi is hard to beat. Number 4 is the Away Large. This is the best hard shell for most people on our list. The Away Large is a 29-inch hard shell with a durable polycarbonate shell that's both lightweight and strong. It can handle a lot without feeling heavy, which is perfect if you're traveling for 2 weeks or more. Rolling it around is simple due to the premium 360-degree spinner wheels and a quick-release telescoping handle with 2 height settings. There's even a grab handle underneath, so you can lift it comfortably when needed. Inside, the bag stays organized with a patented compression pad system, 2 main compartments, and a laundry bag. This helps keep clothes in place and makes packing for longer trips easier. The TSA-approved combination lock keeps your stuff secure while meeting airline requirements. The zippers are recessed into the shell, which gives the bag a sleek look and extra protection. And the interior liner fits snugly so your clothes don't move around or get crushed. It measures about 29 inches by 12.5 inches by 20.5 inches, including wheels. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty covering the shell, wheels, handles, zippers, and more. Overall, if you want a suitcase that combines durability, smooth rolling, and smart organization for almost any trip, the Away Large is a solid choice for most travelers. And if you want to know the latest prices for the luggage discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Osprey Sojourn Shuttle 100-liter. This is the best large adventure duffel roller on our list. If you need a bag that can handle big trips, rough airports, or even cobblestone streets, this is the one. The Sojourn Shuttle is a huge duffel with oversized 110mm wheels that glide smoothly over almost anything. The high road chassis keeps it steady, even when it's fully packed, so you don't have to worry about tipping or wobbling. Now, this bag is built tough with heavy-duty nylon and a reinforced base. The wing jacket compression system wraps around your bag with padded sidewalls and straps. It keeps everything secure and protect your gear, even if the bag isn't full. The organization is surprisingly smart for a duffel. There's a large interior with mesh and liner pockets, compression straps, and a floating exterior boot bin to separate dirty or smelly shoes from your clean clothes and tech. The retractable ergo grip handle makes rolling it effortless, and multiple grab handles give you plenty of carrying options when needed. It measures about 17 inches by 19 inches by 31 inches and weighs only 8.6 pounds, so it's big but still manageable. And because it's Osprey, it's designed to last through years of heavy use and travel abuse. Michael puts it as, "This bag was a great companion on a recent 3-month trip. I'm a heavy packer, and the space in this thing is seemingly endless." Beware, it's easy to surpass the standard economy airline weight limit for checked bags, but you can also use the outer straps to secure smaller loads. Overall, if your adventures need serious storage, smooth mobility, and tough protection all in one, the Osprey Sojourn Shuttle earns the title of the best large adventure duffel roller. Number 2 is the Briggs & Riley Baseline Large Expandable Spinner. This is the best upgraded softshell luggage on our list. This suitcase feels professional, sturdy, and really smart. It's made from tough ballistic nylon that can handle real travel abuse and still look clean. The size is perfect for long trips, and it even expands for extra packing space with a single push, and then compresses back to keep your items snug. It has 4 shock-absorbing spinners that glide smoothly and quietly across airports, train stations, or even city streets, and the multiple handles on top, side, and bottom make lifting and maneuvering really simple, even if you need to stash it in a tight car trunk or overhead bin. The organization inside the bag is thoughtful too. There's a large flat packing area, 2 mesh zip pockets for accessories, and a tri-fold garment compartment that helps keep suits or dresses neat. Plus, a clever front flap design lets you access everything without spreading the bag out all over a hotel room floor. Now, it doesn't have a built-in TSA lock, but it comes with a secure lock that threads through the zipper. And the lifetime repair service means if anything breaks from normal use, Briggs & Riley backs it. Price-wise, it's on a premium side, but you're paying for top-quality materials, smart design, and travel confidence. Overall, if you want a suitcase that's built to last and keeps you organized effortlessly, this one nails it. Number 1 is the Travel Pro Platinum Elite. This is the best overall luggage on our list. If you want a suitcase that makes travel feel almost effortless, this is it. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite is soft side, expandable, and has 8 spinner wheels that glide in every direction. The handle adjusts to 4 different heights, and the non-slip grip keeps it steady in your hands, so even long walks through airports feel easy. Durability-wise, it's made with high-density nylon with DuraGuard coating, which resists wear and tear. It also has a tapered 2-inch expansion, so you get extra packing space without tipping over. And yes, the TSA-compliant lock keeps your stuff secure while still letting authorities inspect it if needed. Plus, this bag is well organized. There's a built-in suitor to keep clothes wrinkle-free, tie-down straps, removable wet pockets, and mesh compartments so everything has a spot. You can easily fit a week's worth of clothes and still have space left over. Size-wise, it's slightly larger than standard checked luggage, 32.5 inches by 21 inches by 13.25 inches, and weighs 11.5 pounds. It's perfect if you need lots of room without struggling at check-in. And the lifetime coverage is the cherry on top. If anything breaks during travel, Travel Pro has your back. Moore sums it up perfectly. I love this suitcase. It is expensive, but the quality is wonderful. I love the way it looks. The handle goes up and down so smoothly, and it has several places you can stop it at, which is very useful. It is lightweight and easy to lift even when it is full. The wheels roll rolls so smoothly, easy to pack a lot of items in it. I won't be using the garment bag inside, but it is a nice thing to come with the case. Overall, I love this case. For the combination of smooth mobility, smart organization, durability, and peace of mind, this bag absolutely earns its place as the best overall luggage. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect luggage. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each luggage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.